Hey, hi everyone, my name is Kushal from Restobin. Today I'm going to give you a demo as well as information on a GDPR mailer that we received from the Google Analytics. So basically the GDPR is a data protection act which is regulated by European countries where the user data is protected and the privacy should be maintained and some data shouldn't be go outside of the European countries. So it is a policy which is protecting the user information. So it's not limited to only European countries. Some service providers like Google Analytics itself are covering this Data Protection Act as globally, and they have introduced a new option in property settings where you can set how long the data should be there in GA server, and after that it will be deleted. So if you go to your property settings, under tracking info you will have a new option called as data retention. So there are two options here in data retention. So one is the user and event data retention, which is specified in months. There are certain options like 14 months, 26 months, 38 months, 50 months. So you can select whatever month you want, and the next option is the reset on a new activity. Getting into details of what is this 26 months and how it affects. So if you are if you are running an e-commerce website and you have set it to 26 months, so if you have anything collected user specific information like user ID or their advertising ID or anything which is stored in the GA server, so after 26 months that information will be deleted. However, the best part is the aggregated data will still remain and it doesn't affect. So you can query the data with longer duration, more than 26 months. The data will be there, but the user specific information you won't be able to retrieve. The second option which is there is a reset on new activity. So if you set to 26 month as your retention period and you have enabled the reset on new activity, say what happens is it will try to reset the user's information, not exactly the user information. It will try to reset the retention date period from the last activity. A simple example would be, if I am a user, I landed on a website today, and after a month or an year I again landed on the same website and did some activity. So the year later, the last activity which I had done, so user retention this 26 months will be affected from that second that's last interaction, that is after an year. So this is how these two options work. So basically, if you set it to 26 months and the activity on, this is like good to go for me. For like major of what do you say, like admins and all, it depends on your nature of business or how you're using the user's data. Based on that you can make your decisions. I personally prefer 26 months to be fine for me because I don't query data more than that, and I hardly capture any user specific informations. For me, this policy doesn't have any effect on my data, so I would set whatever the default is. So if you are looking for some options, there are like 38 months, 50 months, so maximum is the 50 months, and there is also option called do not automatically expire. I won't suggest selecting this do not automatically expire because that would voluntarily give Google an voluntarily option. Whenever they want, they can delete it. So yes, these are all the options which are there, and this is what the setting is. So I'm just going to click on save, and yeah, that's all for the day, and thank you. Have a great day.
Hey there, thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. Please do like, share, comment your thoughts. I would really love to hear you. Also, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive instant notifications. And most importantly, make a digital impact. Thank you and have a great day.